Hi there, I'm Theresa with Garrity Tools, and today I'll be showing you how to wedge clay to make a marble effect. To make your marbled clay, you'll need some porcelain or white stoneware, mason stains, a pair of gloves, some mixing bowls and water, rolling pin, wire tool, and texture tools. To start, you'll want to make enough balls of clay for as many colors as you want to wedge. Next thing you want to do is form them into a kind of rudimentary pinch pot. Now that you have your pinch pots made, you can take your mason stains and mix up about a tablespoon worth of color with just a little bit of water, making a paste. And do that for each color. Now, because these are chemicals, I recommend wearing gloves. And your next step is to take your rudimentary bowl and add your paste into the clay. Close it up. And then you're ready to wedge. Now that you're done wedging your clay into colors, you can find a really sturdy surface like a driveway, anything with concrete. Bring your wear board to it and we'll start wedging our clay together. The first step is to layer your colors in sections that you like. I like to wedge in white in between my layers. Now that you have kind of a sandwich, you can do my favorite part, which is really cathartic and fun, slamming it down. This works out air bubbles and integrates your clay all together. Now we're going to slice it, and you can see your colors are integrating into each other. And stack again, and repeat. I like to stop in a rectangular shape so that I can easily slice and get lots of layers. You can wedge until you get the desired amount of integration that you want. You can stop with less or keep going to get a little bit more. Now I can take my blocks of clay and use my wire tool to slice thin layers of wedged marble clay. I can then take my rolling pin and roll these out into any slab construction that I would like.